In the evening on August 3rd, 2022, the owner of Lee Deli in Rhine, Wisconsin called 911. Officers were quickly informed an attempted robbery just took place. Officers in this undercover police unit quickly make their way to the scene along with other officers in marked cruisers.
Everybody loves Lee Deli. This dude. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Watch out.
Any more description? We just have the no light 6'2", mask. Trying to get a closer description when the workers right click. Got pants on, shorts, tank top. Trying to get that. 64G just got flagged down. City of blue glove.
Dakota! SUV. He took off. The officers are right here. Maroon SUV? Yeah, it's right here.
Thankfully, it appears the owner was able to get a picture of the suspect's vehicle, a picture he had taken just 2 minutes and 20 seconds before this moment. This vital snapshot informs officers of the make, model, and color of the vehicle. They need to look for the quick timing of the officer's arrival and delivery of this information, significantly increases the chances of capturing the perpetrator.
Male white, he had a janitor uniform on.
Already got into a red.
Show me that picture.
76 on a light blue janitor uniform on there.
It's a Honda CRV. Yep. No, he parks right over there.
Light blue janitor.
Oh, it's for escape. It's going to be a red Ford. Oh, wait, phone. Maroon on top, black trim on the bottom.
What do you do?
So I was getting ready to close down my employees, and a guy walked in, and I noticed he's kind of awkward, you know, and he pulled out a huge gun.
He went south on flat.
It looked like 45 or 40 caliber. And at first, I was like,
He pulled out a gun?
A gun. I walked right to the phone, because I'm either going to get shot or I'm going to let my employees get killed. So I walked right to the phone and called you guys.
So everybody okay?
I mean, yeah.
What happened?
It happened so fast.
Right. Robert's got a blue janitor's outfit on, whatever that means. If he's in a car, he's gone. He took a picture of the car he got into.
Knowing that the suspect vehicle was parked facing south, officers bet on pursuing in the same direction. Generally, they were on the lookout in this area, south of Lee's Deli.
Do you know what a revolver is?
Yeah, it was not a revolver. It was whatever, semi-automatic or, the regular.
Yep. Do you have cameras?
We do have cameras.
The security footage from the deli captures the entire scene. While this information is rolled out to officers over the course of a few minutes, we will go over the entirety of the footage. Now, firstly, the clock on their security system is out of sync with the officers' cameras by over 25 minutes, however. Using key moments, we were able to synchronize the footage to get an accurately timed layout of the events at what is actually approximately 7:44. The footage captures the suspect vehicle driving on the main road and turning right to park on Flett Avenue. 4 minutes later, at 7:48, the suspect is seen walking into Lee's Deli, which is full of patrons, including children, over the course of the next 7 minutes. The perpetrator waits for the store to clear out. Lee Deli closes in a few minutes at 8:0, so the suspect likely waited for this moment on purpose. Just before 7:55, the suspect pulls out a semi-automatic handgun and points it at the cashier. He then waves the owner over, who is just to the left of the cashier. Instead, the owner walks toward the back of the store where he calls 911 and proceeds to tell the suspect he's made a mistake. The perpetrator seems to agree, as he then appears to give up his robbery and leaves. The cashier cleverly locks the front door behind him. Although he appears in a slight state of shock, the outdoor security camera then captures the perpetrator walking down the street where he parked his vehicle shortly after. At 7:57, you can see the owner follow him and take a picture of the suspect vehicle before running back towards the deli at 7:59. Roughly 3 minutes after the attempted robbery took place, officers arrive on scene.
Right on the corner, got in the vehicle, and that's where I literally took them 3 pictures.
So you got the plate?
I'm sure I'd be on one of them.
Be too perfect just there. I drove right by it.
Yeah.
Is that a Jeep or Ford?
That's a Ford. That's
like an Escape.
Escape, yeah.
There's some shitty apartments where white people get.
Looks like it's either red or
maroon Ford, possibly Escape with black on the bottom.
Yep.
South on Flett from that area.
They can just
dispatch.
Adam. Looks like A, right?
In this moment, officers are trying to make out the license plate from the owner's photos.
Yeah, try Adam, John. See if they come back to a Ford Escape.
Where would I go? Where would I go?
So I'm trying to think, like, he's trying to rob more, like, get some actual money. They took my shit on the stores.
61, we're going to have a partial plate of 6.
Come on, dispatch, do your math.
Hi, copy.
I think they can, just like a partial name in RMS.
Report to that spot is at Wisconsin.
Cruise back on a red Ford Escape from 2003. Let's do Elisa.
Can you let Channel 5 know that's possibly our vehicle? Thank you.
Squad for Lee Deli, we have the full plate now. It's going to be a 20 of.
People really are that dumb, robbing 2 houses away.
You might as well just walked. You know? Why did you bring your car, you dumbass?
Oh, wait,
That was it.
West Town Foods.
612. Let's see that West Town Foods.
On the way to the car's registered address, it appears the officers witnessed the vehicle and quickly turned.
Police! Police! Let me see your hands! Hands!
Get down on the ground!
On the ground right now! On the ground! Face down!
Don't make any moves. Is there a gun anywhere you know about?
In my car. In your car?
Who was inside? There was we got the one detained, so let's look at the video. Okay. To see if we can match that.
All right. I'm going to roll you on your butt. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to sit you up. 1, 2, 3. All right, 31. Do you have an ID on you anywhere?
Not at the moment. No.
Okay.
Is this your car?
It's my wife's.
Where's the gun in the car?
Well done.
What's your name, sir?
Was he going over here to hit this one too?
Yeah. You know why we're here today? And why you're being detained?
No.
You don't? Okay. We can talk about that in a second. For now, we're going to put you in a squad, okay?
Okay.
All right. What I need you to do is tuck in one of your legs and we're going to help you up, okay?
Airsoft. Is it? I don't know what it is. Is it real?
1, 2, 3.
Grab the keys out of the car?
Yes, sir. We'll grab everything. Is there a wallet or anything we need to get?
No. I left that at home.
All right. We're going to walk back to this squad over here, all right?
You got anything on you that you shouldn't have? Any weapon, gun, needle, anything? Separate the people with me?
No mag. Mistake that for a janitor's outfit.
Here, it's right here.
Oh, it's right there. That's what he was taking off when we stepped out with him. Scared out of his mind.
He took a picture of the car when he got into it.
Okay.
The victim did.
I want to see him in the store with the gun.
Yeah.
Because they said he actually sold it.
He may have just tossed the mag.
They didn't have one. He's just trying to get a quick because he didn't.
Oh, it's right here.
Here's a blue glove.
I got it right here. He's gonna Dennis to menace him. Give me your money.
But those are blue gloves.
Weird. Something.
I think a little crazy, maybe. A little simple.
Might be on a bender or something.
He going to another store to do this?
It sounds like earlier, probably, I don't know if you heard, like there was over at CVS. They kind of matched the description, like maybe around 3. Eventually, he was getting the balls up to probably do it, you know?
Yeah.
Probably was frustrated he wasn't getting no money.
Hey,
Everybody kept telling
he's
him
not
no.
very good at this.
Everybody kept telling him no.
Next time.
Yeah. He come back next Thursday?
Get the out of here.
Bitch, this great seat.
74.
Please.
Hey, sorry, man. We just got robbed. Attempted robbery.
Hey, can you check your phone? I sent you a video of the suspect. See if it matches the one that you have out there.
Being
Get your pair of black sunglasses.
There's a.
We might as well get the whole outfit if we're going to be here.
What kind of hat was it?
Here it is. Right here. You already photographed this, right? Okay. Thought I'd ask. All right.
Okay, the one that they have out there does match the guy from here. So
Okay. Got armed robbery, 2 counts of pointing and aiming.
yeah.
I don't think you got anything from the video.
It looked like
It looked like they told him no and he left. He looks defeated. It's like they told him no. And then he said, "Can I get a ham sandwich at least?"
He was like, "What you mean no?" But I have a gun. I still got the gun in his hand right at the door. Oh, what? Besides, you guys want to? Yep.
And just in case the gun didn't work, get his phone.
I saw that.
I know this might seem silly. I have to ask it. You didn't consent to him to coming in here with a gun or someone rob you and point a gun at you? Or are you willing to prosecute? Yeah. You. Hey, you didn't consent to some dude coming in here with a gun and pointing at you, did you? No. Okay. Are you willing to prosecute? No. Are you willing to press charges against him? I don't care. It's a yes or no? All right. Well, glad I stayed.
I was robbed in 2006 from here, so damn loud. Jesus.
It does seem right back over there. On the coolers?
Right here?
Yeah.
That's
Who's up?
It's an old man, yep.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, he must be desperate. What the flip? Seriously?
This guy is so ignorant.
He knows.
Doesn't even know that he doesn't got street for the employees. These are just kids, you know.
Doing all right?
Is there any way these could get loosened a little bit?
Do you know where your green and white hat is and your sunglasses?
Sunglasses should be in the car.
Do you know where though?
Down in the console?
In the console. What about the green hat?
Green hat, I don't
Or like the white one you were wearing is like white and green or something?
I don't have a green and white hat.
Okay. All right. You want it loosened up?
If I could.
Yeah. Step out for me.
9mm semi-automatic pistol. The model MC39 taken from a vehicle in Tennessee.
Yeah, that looks like the one we got.
Dispatch just revealed that the serial number of the suspect's gun returned as stolen from a vehicle in Tennessee. It is unclear if this perpetrator was directly involved in that theft or not.
You want something to drink or water or anything? No, I appreciate it, man. Hey, I'm glad you're okay. Thank you for calling so quick. It's the reason why those pictures and the reason why, and you calling so quick are the reason why we got them.
Not bad.
We got the description of the plate. It listed his address, and that just gives us a finer point, right?
Yeah, no, for
obviously, I don't want you to put yourself in harm's way. With the information that you got us, help this get him. And we got him, so.
And actually, we just happened to be really close from a previous call, so his timing was awful because our timing was perfect. Our reaction time was within seconds.
Yeah. He's an old guy. I don't think he's going to run very far, though.
No, actually, he made it all the way to West Town Foods over on 6th Street, yeah. Well, but he was driving.
Interestingly, we were not able to find any criminal record for this perpetrator in the state of Wisconsin. After his arrest, the suspect was charged with 1 count of armed robbery and 1 count of carrying a concealed weapon.